The CORSAIR RM1000e is an exceptional power supply unit that offers a plethora of features and an impressive performance. With its fully modular design, this PSU provides an efficient and flexible solution for your PC build. The low noise operation is a standout feature, ensuring a quiet computing experience, especially beneficial for those seeking a peaceful environment. This power supply boasts an impressive 105-degree C-rated capacitor design, ensuring stability and reliability even under demanding conditions. The modern standby mode adds to its efficiency, allowing for quick wake-up times and reduced power consumption when your PC is in standby. Compliant with the latest ATX 3.1 and PCIe 5.1 standards, the RM1000e future-proofs your build, ensuring compatibility with the latest hardware. The Cybernetics Gold Efficiency Rating is a testament to its energy efficiency, making it an environmentally conscious choice without compromising on performance. The inclusion of a 12V-2x6 cable further enhances its versatility, providing ample power for high-end components. This power supply is an excellent choice for enthusiasts and professionals alike, offering a reliable and efficient power source for your PC. Overall, the CORSAIR RM1000e is a top-tier power supply, delivering an exceptional performance with its low-noise operation, efficient design, and future-proof specifications. It's a great investment for anyone seeking a reliable and quiet power solution for their PC build.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.